Christian's life.
There was no time when God was not there. God has not come. God is always there. First, let's clear the concept that God has not come. God is always there. We prove it mathematically. See, the universal truth that has been established, you should not challenge it again. That is, this is the universal truth that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. If you try to make it 5 or 3, then it is based on oppression. If you invent the wheel again, then also this mathematical equation will remain in its place. This thing has been established in the same way that the universe was there before, then it has come. You know, for some time this theory has been in the 17th and 18th centuries that this is a steady state universe. It has been going on like this since forever, but now this theory is dead. The era in which we are sitting, this theory is over, not since today, but after the Big Bang. When Hubble saw this thing through a telescope in the 1920s, Hubble was a great scientist in America. It saw the movement of stars through a telescope. If this thing is going away, then if it is reversed in time, then it must have started from somewhere. That is, I hold some balls in my hand and throw them like this. All of them will go away from each other. And this is the universal truth, that they are going away because it started from somewhere. This is a natural thing. They said that if we reverse time and reach such a point from where this thing started, then the scientists named it such a point whose density was infinite. It was not going to end and the volume was 0. The volume is 0 and the density is infinite. It means creation does not take X, existence comes from 0. If there was nothing, then it happened. And then they says that this Big Bang happened. After this Big Bang, if there was a slight disturbance in the trillionth of a second, then this universe could not come into existence. And this is just a matter of coming into existence. Then the billions of fine-tunings that are present on planet Earth, the distance from the sun to the Earth, then their gravitational force, their movement speed, this is such a field in which a person goes and gets lost. Considering all these things, the theory of a steady-state universe will be over and Big Bang will be established. Now it has been proved that creation has not taken X. That is, human beings or the universe have been born. The problem was for you when you believe that they are also from the beginning. Humans have always been born and there is no end. This problem has been solved by science. No, it is created. Now whether its creator is there or not, they come and talk about it. Now this fine-tuning needs so much brain to understand them. So many brains are needed to understand the structure of DNA, to understand this harmony, to understand how to make cell. So many brains are needed. We are still doing discoveries. All these things that we discover the laws of nature. That is, if we have explored this thing that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west with respect to the earth. By the way, it does not set in the west. So this is a physical phenomenon that we have discovered. This phenomenon did not create the sun. This is not the creator of sun, if you know. The egg is the source of chick. And for so long you keep the egg in the warmth for 22 days. Under the hen or in some machine. This information has not been created, but it is the information about the creation of the chick. You go deeper into this. The more you dig, and ultimately your information will be added. It will not be that you get to know that it has created it. The hen itself does not know who is creating. Crocodile, elephant, they do not know what qualities I have. The one who does not know what qualities I have, the human being does not know what qualities I have. Science is exploring you a little. So we are not the creator of these qualities.